I'm gonna explain to you what the DD number or audit number here on your Texas driver's license is. It's like a 20-digit number. And the DD stands for document discriminator, or they call it an audit number. It's a key piece of information on every Texas driver's license used to provide the validity of the driver's license. The purpose of the number is to uniquely identify each license the DPS issues out. It's the only number on the driver's license that is guaranteed to be unique. So let me give you an example. Say for instance, you change address, you misplace your driver's license, maybe somebody stole it. So the DPS issues you a new license. But note that your driver's license number will always be the same, an 8-digit number, but this audit number or DD number will change. Just imagine if they didn't change it and somebody stole your driver's license. So how will you identify which one was the stolen driver's license or which one was the newly issued driver's license? So that's why they changed the DD number or audit number. So I hope this explained what the DD number is. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel, and also visit my website at www.weldingandstuff.net. Thank you and have a great day.